They mu milelo chetave, have la huya of your nitia lilita, Happy Christmas, Merry Christmas, cole olope la cocha lave you may. Yapu tipo hakeve olo taku malaga vili coco, Gatiku ko haku majo, Bahamajo to obo gufa jovi olo de pataku malaga you may. Have la huya of your nihu, no Gantigo colo, Bahamajo to obo mako, and ye majo to obo, shati tatu lujave you may. Chakashushu, Gao Kolo Bila Dave, Uzi, Mege, Kunu, Vakade Pata, Kade Vujo you may. Chakete Davele, Mpilo de le, Digi Lata, Nohuta Higa, the Chimape, not such a boy vega, not so depa, Meshako Kashasha Maga to Obo, Chakeve Oji de Pauke, Dota Laga you may. Have you any who got the go call and the macho dule, Chesha Josha Povita Jandale, the Nande Patagata you may. Odele, the Namagata Shiruloko, Novega Shepata Kupile, Chesha Josha Pole, and the macho to obo the Nadepa, that's a la de Aqualobuduga, aye ujavi you may. Have you vinihu, got the go call Chesha Josha Pole, and the Jolave Dianta Gadaga to Obo, Omo Ots, Shota Duga, Lujavi you may, do Bahaga Kuloko, Gachetima or Kolu, Gatige, Bode Chevi or Chopa Machavi, or Chopa Tajida Shile, Diaga Nalako Ashu or Hutileke, Natsi Yellow Shikai Tube, Diaga and the Joalako, Bahati Pajoalako, Ashoke or Hutile, Dige Bodale, Gadapitu, Chekevita, Ogavete Peve you may. Bro, Gante Jeta, Amitu Pulokoka, Kashashai Toega to Obo, Yakote Pagata, Gufata Duga, Lujavi you may. Have you been nihu? No gante go or colo, Longchomu macho, that noga kajaviloko, Manija, Gashepa, Notaka Jalave in Jesse or Mo. Boko, over Jove or who or not de pa, Boko, Dayon de Palo Kaileke, Noga Puga Mocheve, or Londa de Pataco be peve you may. Olete ma aye ujavete chile, Havete mo, no ta galaga veta, Doni Butuga, Luja, de Ole, Ogapila Vekashu, Dokapila Davete chipeve you may. Have you been here? Yabu, Chivio Kata Pekaiga to Obo, Chivio Olote Pata, Gaga to Obo, Gagalave or Mole, Lahu Media Ministry or Mopeve you may, Gagala Cheve or Moyatiga Lili Tagamako, Lonile Ogapila Cheve, Havela Huya of Unitiga Lilita Obo Jame, Digalele or Koisha or Bona Bishi, Shotishi Chakavio Oyanta de Bokomoja Yuli. Bye bye.